Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're talking about two confusing words, lay and lie. In spoken English, modern spoken English, we use these two actions the same. Let's see some examples. Example, he is laying on the couch or he is lying on the couch. We use both the same. Remember, pronunciation, laying and lying. He's laying on the couch. To be horizontal. Let's practice. Is he lying on the couch?
Yes, he's laying on the couch.
Is he laying on the couch? Very good. We can use lay or lie with down. Lay down or lie down. We use down to express changing position. If you want to change position, use down. He's tired. He needs to lie down. Or he needs to lay down. Remember, use down to change positions. You can use it for sit down or also stand up to change positions. Is he tired?
Yes, he's very tired.
Does he need to lay down?
Yes, he needs to lay down.
Does he need to lie down? Why does he need to lie down? Very good. Example, we can use around, lay around or lie around. We use around to say he's not doing anything important. It has a negative connotation, like you don't think it's a good thing. He lays around all day. He's always lying around. What does he do in the afternoon?
He lays around doing nothing.
What does he do in the afternoon? Very good. Example, we can use lay around or lie around to talk about things on the floor with the action leave. My son leaves his toys laying around. Using lay in a gerund, laying or lying. He leaves his toys lying around. Does your son leave his toys laying around?
Yes, my son leaves his toys laying around.
Does her son leave his toys laying around? Very good. A long time ago, lie and lay were used differently, but now in modern spoken English, they're used the same. Lie and lay are used for the same thing. So we have a problem. The past of lay is laid, and the participle is laid. The past of lie is lay, and the participle is lain. We see lay and lay are the same, so it caused confusion. So now we don't use lay for the past, and we don't use lain for the participle in modern spoken English. We only use laid and laid. So you will see these words maybe in books, but when you're speaking, nobody uses them. The past is always laid for both. It's the same idea. So what is confusing is lay has another meaning. You can use lay for put. It's the same as put. The same as place. The same as set. So I can say, put the glass on the table. Or lay the glass on the table. Or place. Please place the glass on the table. Or set. Please set the glass on the table. They're all the same. But put is the most common. The others are more formal and not so common. And also, lie has another meaning. To give location. Example, the island lies off the coast. It means is. The island is off the coast. But we use lie to give location. It's formal and not very common. And a question I always get from my students when I teach this is they say, what about lie? Like he's not telling the truth. Completely different idea and different past. Lie is in present. Lied is past. He told a lie or he lied. Use the connector to. He lied to me. And the participle is lied, so it's a regular action. Lie is the verb, and the person, he is a liar. Remember, one liar. He's a liar. He lied to me. Let's practice. Did he lie to you?
Yes, he lied to me.
Did he lie to her? Very good. So remember, lay and lie are exactly the same in modern spoken English. You can say lay for put, but it's not common. It's better to use put.
Thank you for watching.
And if you want to avoid mistakes and sound more natural when speaking, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.